how we can solve this. 5 volt is applied across a relaxed RC circuit of RC. If they didn't mention about series or parallel, then automatically as series. In this, they have given the value of C as 5 microfarads, on 5 at time t equal to 0. Find the value of R. We need to calculate R such that the voltage across comes 50 volt in 5 milli. Voltage they have given 50 volt, right? And time also they have given 5 seconds, correct? So as you can see, charging condition equal to 1 minus e power minus by tau. This is the formula. Yes or no? 1 we know. Time they have given 5 into 10 power minus tau. Tau, as you know, tau formula is R multiplied by C, but we don't have R. So consider tau as it is. Voltage they have given 50 volt. V naught is V of 0 minus, that we can consider. V of 0 minus is like if we'll open circuit the capacitor. Remember I told you for calculation of voltage across capacitor will open circuit capacitor. Then the diagram would look, yes or no? So this would be A and B. A B equal to 100 volt, right? Because no current is flowing across this R ohm, it's the open circuit, that would be 100 volt, correct? Now we'll have all the values of tau. How can we remove E? We can remove by taking log. That would be 50 by 100 is equal to 1 minus per minus 5 into per minus divided by tau. 50 by 100 is 1 by 2. 1 we can shift it here. That would become minus 1. So E will remove it. Then again we'll take log both the sides. Then after taking log, can we get the value for tau? After getting tau, we can substitute it here. We already know and we'll able to find out R. Okay. Now they said if the series RC circuit is short circuited at 5 milliseconds, what is the capacitor voltage at t equal to 7 milliseconds? Next, they have given the time, that is t equal to 7 millisecond. V naught, which we have calculated, would be same. Now we need to calculate V. For the same case, what is the difference? Time is the. So equation will be equal to r minus by tau. So we already calculated from the previous part. Time they have changed 7 millisecond. V naught we already calculated 100. What is left? Only V. Get value from